Hey guys, let's be honest. How many of you have ever tried a viral dance so that didn't even feel like you? Maybe you laughed through it, but deep down thought, why am I even doing this? Or wore something trending online, but felt awkward in real life? Like the outfit slayed on screen, but you just didn't feel like yourself. Today we're talking about a big question. What if we keep chasing viral trends, but lose our real vibe? Sounds relatable? Yeah, let's talk about it. Imagine this. 1 week, everyone's making dancing cat videos, so you do it. Next week, everyone's eating spicy noodles, so you do that too. Then next week, it's silent vlogs, so you quietly film your morning coffee, even though you hate coffee. You film a calm morning with music and filters, even though your real mornings are loud, messy, and full of snooze buttons. But after months of chasing trends, you suddenly ask yourself, wait, who am I really? Are you a cat dancer, a spice eater, a silent vlogger, or just someone stuck in the loop of what's trending today? You scroll through your own profile and it feels like a stranger's highlight reel. Now, trends aren't bad. They can be fun, creative, and exciting. They let us experiment, be part of something bigger, and sometimes go viral. But here's the problem. If your entire life becomes a copy-paste of what's popular, you forget what you like. You stop listening to your own voice and start mimicking everyone else's. You lose your unique style, the style that made you different, the vibe people could truly connect with. You get tired, constantly chasing the next big thing, because it never stops. And neither do the expectations. You never build a community that knows the real you, just followers of your latest act. They like the character you play. But what about the real you behind the screen? It's like wearing 100 different masks, but forgetting your own face. And slowly, it becomes harder to take the mask off. Here's where it gets worse. You post something personal, fewer likes than your viral trend, and suddenly you feel unimportant. You start to wonder, was I only ever liked for the trend? You burn out because you're making content you don't even enjoy. The spark that once made creating fun? Gone. You become a content machine, not a human with a story. Someone who posts, but no longer feels. And slowly, you start valuing your worth by numbers, not by your passion. 10,000 views, but no joy. 100 comments, but no connection. Fame feels good, but emptiness hits harder when it fades. And no one warns you about that silence once the applause ends. So what do? Should we ignore trends forever? No, that's not the answer. We don't need to reject the internet. We just need to reclaim ourselves within it. The solution is balance plus authenticity. Here's how you can fix it. Follow trends, but add your twist. Example, don't just do a viral dance, add your humor, your style, your story. Let your energy lead the trend, not the other way around. Ask yourself, do I enjoy this? Or am I doing it just for views? One honest answer could save you from months of burnout. Sometimes skip the trend and create what you love, even if it's not trending. That's how real creators last longer than 15-second trends, because impact outlives impressions. Build your vibe first, follow trends second. That way, trends will fit your style, not control your life. Let the trend work for you, not make you work for it. At the end of the day, people might follow you for trends, but they'll stay for your vibe. Your energy, your truth. That's what turns followers into community. So ask yourself today, am I trending or am I real?